Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're still safe out there while we had those pretty bearish moves overnight. Solana on its own, Solana has been doing fine. I mean, I'm not sure about this, by the way. This is just speculation. But I believe if you look at Solana against Bitcoin, yeah, you can see that's pretty stable, all right. Whereas what you can see as well is that the Bitcoin dominance, especially yesterday, was quite bullish. All right, so what we got overnight is a pretty significant drop from Bitcoin. In general, Bitcoin looks very weak. And then if we look at Solana, what we'll see is that there's weakness as well. All right, I'm not going to lie to you. I always thought all-time highs were very possible, but I always also told you that it was my most likely scenario. So I was wrong about that. But the main thing I was wrong about is not necessarily Solana's strength. I think Solana is still relatively strong. The point is that you need bullish market circumstances to get a very bullish spike up to those levels. And the market circumstances changed, all right? And that is something I did not expect. But that has an effect on Solana now as well, all right? And I've told you this numerous times, but Solana, I would say, if you look at the network itself, I would say that's still super bullish, all right? The total value locked has crashed a bit, and so it's down to $11.22 billion again. But we did make a new all-time high. Some ecosystem decentralized applications are still doing great as well, and this very much has to do with the price as well, right? So I think fundamentally Solana is still very strong. And I think if you compare it to some other big cryptos, to some other major altcoins, I think Solana is one of the strongest cryptos to still put your money in right now. But then if we look at the technicals, and like I said, this has very much to do with the general market circumstances right now. If you look at the open interest, that's just laddering down, all right? So this is bearish. This means we are losing momentum. And if there's one thing you need to be bullish and to rally to a certain extent, it's the open interest going up, right? And that's definitely not what it's doing right now. And then apart from that, you can also see that with this, in hindsight, the 1st of April, yesterday night actually, we made a lower high right here. And you can also see that we have lost, even though I do think that there's a chance, and I do want to highlight that as well. I think there's a chance to recover here. However, we have lost the strong bullish momentum, all right? So what you see is that we had some sort of an uptrend right here, and we have lost that, all right? We've broken down below that. You can also see right here, yesterday evening actually already, we got a bearish breakout or a bearish retest from that, and you can also see that the EMAs right now are flipping. Now, we've seen that before, all right? We've been below the 28 and the 50 EMA before, and we have recovered from that, all right? So I don't think this is necessarily the end of the world yet. But if we want to see a relatively bullish Solana again, we need to get some strong bullish moves, and we need to get them quick, all right? So the only way I think Solana can still get up to 210 and potentially break above that is, first of all, if Bitcoin gets some bullish momentum right here. And second of all, Solana just needs to get up towards like 192 and 195 and set up some sort of a consolidation. If we can do that, together with a relatively strong Bitcoin, we can rally up higher. But for now, unfortunately, given the situation around Solana, I think it's most likely to assume that this bearish continuation will continue down to 170 and 168. And from there, we'll see again. I mean, frankly, like I said, I think Solana still relatively is quite strong. So I do expect strong support from all of those strong support levels. But we'll have to see, all right? Right now, the market circumstances are pretty unclear. We could still go both ways. So I'll try to keep you updated on that. But for now, be careful, expect the worst, and keep your eyes open for a potential bullish reclaim, all right? Especially if the open interest right here finds some more bullish momentum. All right, so keep your eyes on that. For now, I think that's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.